Have you ever watched an airplane take off and thought, how is something so heavy able to fly? Even though airplanes have been around for over 100 years, flight still feels almost magical. But today, we're going to uncover the science behind that magic. To fly successfully, every airplane must balance 4 powerful forces. These forces are called lift, weight, thrust, and drag, also known as the 4 forces of flight. By controlling these forces, pilots can take off, cruise through the sky, and land safely. Let's break them down one by one. First up is lift, the force that pushes the airplane upward. Lift is mainly created by the wings, which are specially shaped like an airfoil. The top of the wing is curved, while the bottom is flatter. As the airplane moves forward, air flows over and under the wing. Air traveling over the curved top moves faster than air underneath. This brings us to Bernoulli's principle, which says, faster moving air has lower pressure. So, pressure on top of the wing is lower, pressure below is higher, and the wing is pushed upward, creating lift. Lift also follows Newton's third law. When the wing pushes air downward, the air pushes the wing upward. Parts involved in lift: wings, flaps and slats for takeoff and landing, ailerons for control. Next is weight, which is the force of gravity pulling the airplane downward. Everything on the plane adds to its weight: the aircraft itself, fuel, passengers, and cargo. For an airplane to climb or stay level, lift must be equal to or greater than weight. Pilots and engineers carefully manage weight and balance to keep the airplane stable and safe. To create lift, the airplane must first move forward, and that's where thrust comes in. Thrust is produced by the engines. Jet engines push hot gases backward, while propeller engines push air backward. According to Newton's third law, when air is pushed backward, the airplane is pushed forward. The final force is drag, the force that pulls the airplane backward. Drag is caused by air resistance as the plane moves through the atmosphere. Anything sticking out, like landing gear or antennas, increases drag. There are 2 main types: parasite drag, caused by the plane's shape; induced drag, created when lift is produced. Engineers reduce drag using smooth surfaces, streamlined designs, and winglets. So next time you see an airplane take off, remember, it's not magic. It's science, engineering, and the perfect balance of lift, weight, thrust, and drag. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep exploring the wonders of flight.